Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. A te Māori e whānau mā. Mauri ora. Kia ora. Ka pai. So, who remembers our kiwaha from last week? We introduced 2 kiwaha last week. Karawhiua, yes, and kawanike, ka pai. So karawhiua at the beginning of an activity and kawanike at the end, yeah? We'll stick with those 2 again today as we get underway for our karakia. Don't forget, we kapa haka in bare feet, so flick those shoes off and let's make a start, whānau. Hands ready and repeat after me. Kia hora, te Māori no, kia whakapapa, pounamu, te moana, kia tere, te karohirohi, I mua, I tō huarahi, tihei mauri ora. Kia ora. Ka pai. So our karakia again, second time, no repeat C's, let's go together. Kia hora te Māori no, toru whā. Kia hora te Māori no, kia whakapapa pounamu te moana, kia tere te karohirohi, I mua I tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. It's good to be alive. Ka wani ke. Let's have a recap of those 2. The one from the week before, karawhiua. Go for it. Give it heaps. Give it everything you've got. And ka wani ke. You're clever or neat or right. Or you did a really fantastic job. Ka pai. So karawhiua, an encouragement at the beginning of an activity. And ka wani ke, a statement of achievement at the end of an activity. Ka pai. Let's move on then to our warm-up this morning. And then we'll talk about our topic for the week. Topic for the week? Yeah, topic for the week. Here we go. Haka mana para tauanga wha. E ke mene pere te wenge whe. I ki mini pere te wenge whe. O ko mono poro tō fo. A e I o u. U kumunu puru tūngufu. So this here is in each line, all the consonants that we use for Te Reo Māori, and just the vowel sound changes on each line. Ka pai? So as we move through to a little bit faster, I guess the challenge is not just speed, but it's about keeping it really, really clear as well. Ka pai? Here we go. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. E ke mene pere te wenge whe. I ki mini pere te wenge whe. O hoko pono poro tō ongo fo. A e I o u. Kawanike Mauri ora. So let's have a little kōrero this morning about our topic of the week. Our topic of the week is ANZAC Day. So on Saturday, as a nation, for the first time, we'll be celebrating ANZAC Day really, really differently. We won't be able to congregate down at the local memorial library or war memorial, or heading into the major events that we have in our big cities or in the town where you live. If you would have seen over the weekend, a video was launched by the Ministry of Defence asking us to actually observe ANZAC Day at the end of our driveway, 6 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning, just to take a moment to remember everything about ANZAC Day and about our history as a nation. So what I thought would be really, really cool is actually, when you're standing at the driveway, there's a few things we can do. We can sing our national anthem. We've got a few other waiata that we can sing as well. But there's also the Ode of Remembrance that we share as well. And I thought it would be really, really nice to capitalise on a suggestion that actually one of our whānau sent in. And that was to enable everyone to recite our Ode of Remembrance in Te Reo Māori as well. So that's the focus of our week. Yeah? So let's make a start. Are you ready to get started? Kapa. Well then, let's start with one that we already know, and we know it really, really well. Let's start with the Te Reo Māori version of our national anthem. Ko riri koutou? Alright. E ihoa atua. Making our way through there, remembering our kia, keeping those nice and quick and holding the a rather than the ki. Yeah? Alright, whānau. Are you ready? Toru wha. E ihoa atua o ngā iwi matura a ta whakarongona me aroha noa kia hua ko te pai kia tauto a ta whai mana ki tia mai Oh, it's a beautiful waiata. Well done, whānau. Ka mau te wihi. Me titiro anō tātou ki te tahi atu waiata. He waiata hau mō tātou. A new song for us. It's one of my favourites. I say that about every song. But this truly is one of my favourites. It's called Poataro. And Poataro, over the coming days, we'll have a little bit of a kōrero about what's behind these words. But for now, we'll make our way through 3 times. Do you remember how we learn a waiata? The first repetition is pronunciation. The second repetition is I sing, you sing, I sing, you sing. And the third repetition, that's right, then we all sing it together. Okay, whānau, let's make a start. Poataro. E moia. Iho nei. E haere ana. Koe. Ki pā mamau. Ki pā mamau. Haere rā. Ka hoki mai anō. Ka hoki mai anō. Ki I te tau. Ki te tau. E tangi atu nei. E tangi atu nei. Kia ora. Ha pai. Now, I think I'd like to actually repeat that step. So one more time after me. A little bit more confidence in your pronunciation by giving me a little bit more volume. Yeah? Poataro. E moia iho nei. E moia iho nei. E haere ana koe. E haere ana koe. Ki pā mamau. Ki pā mamau. Haere rā. Haere rā. Ka hoki mai anō. Ka hoki mai anō. Ki te tau. Ki te tau. E tangi atu nei. E tangi atu nei. Ah, pai. Kia ora. So let's go through. I'll sing, you sing, I'll sing, you sing. Yeah? Here we go. Poataro. E moia iho nei. E haere ana koe.
E haere ana koe.
Ki pā mamau.
Ki pā mamau.
Haere rā. Ka hoki mai anō.
Ka hoki mai anō.
Ki te tau e tangi atu nei.
Ki te tau e tangi atu nei.
Kia ora. That's Poataro. When Poataro was first performed, quite popular, it was performed to a tune called Now Is the Hour. And it went like this. Poataro e moia I hone e haere ana koe ki pā mamau. But the tune that we're singing it to is actually to a Japanese tune. And the name of the tune is called Sukiyaki. And it's interesting because, you know, as our people were engaged in, especially World War II, our tupuna, our ancestors, they travelled around the world to participate in this. And as they travelled around the world, they didn't just interact with other cultures, but they shared and they learned from. And that's pretty much how we got to where we are singing this particular waiata, this particular tune. Ka pai? Kia ora. So, I'm going to sing it, and if you want to join me, you're more than welcome to. Ka pai? But if you just want to listen, all goods. Poataro e moia I hone e haere ana koe ki pā mamau. Haere rā, ka hoki mai anō, ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Anō, Poataro e moia I hone e haere ana koe ki pā mamau. Haere rā, ka hoki mai anō, ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Poataro. Poataro. Mauri ora. Did you give that one a go? Oh, choice. Yeah, beautiful waiata. And I actually made some actions up to this song. Would you like to learn them? Okay then, here we go. Hands like this, and then lift it up. Poataro. Ka pai. Then dipping off to the right. E moia I hone. Then swing them over to the other side. E haere ana koe, palms facing down. And then lift your palms up and raise your hands. Ki pā mamau. Ka pai. Then with the hand that's up, send it off. Haere rā. Yeah. And then bring it back to your heart. Ka hoki mai anō. Two hands. Ki te tau. E tangi atu nei. Ka pai? Poataro. Let's go whānau. Toru whā. Poataro. E moia I hone. E haere ana koe ki pā mamau. Haere rā, ka hoki mai anō, ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Ki te tau, Ki te taue tangi atu nei. Pōatarau. Pōatarau. Kia ora. Wai whānau. Did you enjoy that waiata? Kapa. Alright. Another little waiata here. This one is called Pāmai. Now if you've worked with me before in schools, you'll already know this one. It's a real popular one. And I'm just going to quickly jump in and make a change to those kipu. Make a change. Alright. So, the name that I just changed, I changed because the closest military base to where I live is Trentham, Kapa. And that area is the Remutaka catchment, Kapa. So, if you have a look at this waiata, there's two names in there. The first name is, I've put in there, is Remutaka. That's the name of the closest military base to where you are, Kapa. And the second one there I've got is Aotearoa. That's us, Kapa. So here we go. This one here, I'm actually just going to sing it straight off the bat, because I reckon once I start singing it, most of you will be like, oh, I know this one. Yeah? So, here we go. Pāmai tō reo aroha, ki te pā o re mutaka, e ngā iwi o Aotearoa, haere mai, haere mai. Titiro ki ngā hoia, kua wehe nei. Au e te aroha me te mamai. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa, kia kaha kia manawa nui. Kia kaha, kia manawa nui. Cool song, eh? Yeah. So, put your hand up if you already know this song. Oh, yeah? Cool. Put your hand up then if you've heard this song before, but you're not quite sure how the words go. Oh, hey, don't even worry about it, because we're going to break it down anyway. You with me? All right, let's go. Pāmai, tō reo aroha, ki te pā o re mutaka, e ngā iwi o Aotearoa, haere mai, haere mai. Cool. Let's do that first half. Waiata, toru, wha. Pāmai, tō reo aroha, ki te pā o re mutaka, e ngā iwi o Aotearoa, haere mai, haere mai. Wani ke whanau. Woo. Now look, we're almost done. Yeah? So, after me. Titiro ki ngā hoia, kua wehe nei. Au e te aroha, me te mamai. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa, haere mai, sorry, not haere mai, kia kaha, Kia manawa nui. Let's go from Te Reo ki ngā hoia all the way to the end, and then we'll do the whole song together. Ko riri koutou, are you ready? Toru, wha. Te Reo ki ngā hoia kua wehe nei. Au e te aroha me te mamai. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa. Haere mai, haere mai. My mistake. Kia kaha, kia manawa nui. Wow, we've got pa mai all learnt now. We've got our kupu ready to go. There are some actions to pa mai. You want to jump in for some actions?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, actions it is. Lucky for you, they're super easy. We go hope, kia ora, and then we go here, out, in, out. Yeah, it's just that easy. It's just that easy. Give me a scoop clap, and then fold it out the front and hold it out there. Yeah. Give me double clap, right hand forward. Other side. Cool. Yeah, that's an easy one. Okay, slap the legs into haere mai position. And then slap the legs, haere mai on the other side. Kapa? Too easy. Pa mai tō reo aroha. Scoop it up. Ki te pā o re mutaka. Double clap. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa. Double slap or single slap. Haere mai, haere mai. And then we look. One. Yeah. Just have a good look. Kapai, and then come two hands in, up swipe, up swipe. Now you're going to want to do more than two. Relax. Just two will be fine. Kapai, scoop clap. And then we go out, but this time I want you to bring it in. And then half turn, right, left, okay? And then back to the double clap for e ngā iwi o Aotearoa. And then kia kaha, kia manui, kia kaha, kia manawa nui. Yes. Here we go. So that last one. Haere mai, haere mai, Te Reo ki ngā hoia, kua wehe nei. Au e te aroha me te mamai. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa. Kia kaha, kia manawa nui. Good work. Well done, whānau. That was cool. Whew. So, let me just check the time. All right. So I think we've got enough time to go through all of it and then finish with a quick recital of the Ode of Remembrance in Te Reo Māori. Today, though, I'll just read it through for you, Kapa, because tamariki mā, you've learned so much today. Yeah, you've done really, really well to stick with it. It's awesome. Thank you. I really appreciate it. So the first one is E Hoa. Then we'll go into Pohatarau. Then we'll go into Pa Mai. And then I'll finish us off with the Ode of Remembrance in Te Reo Māori. Ka pai. One last push today, whānau. Tamariki mā, kia kaha. Hey, kia kaha. Karawhiua. Here we go. I hoa, toru, wha. E I hoa atua, o ngā iwi mataura, a ta whakarongona, me aroha noa, kia hua ko te pai, kia tautoa ta whai, mana ki tia mai, a te aroa. Ka mau te wei. I hope your neighbours heard that, by the way. Yeah, you're just pumping up that volume this morning, weren't you? Yeah. Keep it going, my friends. Keep it going. I love the energy. Poatarau. Here we go. Kiraro. Hope. Poatarau. Toru. Wha. Poatarau. E moia I hone. E haere ana koe ki pāmama. Haere rā, ka hoki mai anō. Ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Poatarau. Too good. You guys, too good. Alright. Last waiata for today. Pa mai. Make sure you give this energy, or sorry, should I say, make sure you give this song lots of energy. Yeah? Give it some good volume. Don't scream, but give it some really good volume. Yeah? And also some clarity in your pronunciation through here would be beautiful. And keep your actions up and away from your body. Kapai? No one wants to see this. That's not it. Kapai? Make your actions nice and proud, nice and big, nice and strong. Here we go, whānau. Kiraro. Hope. Pāmai toru wha. Pāmai toru aroha. Ki te pā ore mutaka. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa. Haere mai, haere mai. Titiro ki ngā hoia, kua wehe nei. Aue, aue te aroha me te mamai. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa. Kia kaha, kia manawa, tahirua taruwha, hea uehi. Kia ora. Woo. That's a lot. You guys did really well. Like I said, awesome effort today. So this is the Te Reo version of the Ode of Remembrance. Today, I'm just going to read it in Te Reo Māori. Okay, and then over the week we'll have a look in a little bit more detail through the pronunciation and start matching up these lines so you can see how they translate directly to the English version. Ka pai? So, e te whānau, whakarongo mai. E kore rātou e kaumātua tia, pēnei i a tātou kua mahu e nei. E kore hoki rātou e ngoi kore, aha koa pehea i ngā āhuatanga o te wā, i te hekenga atu o te rā. Tainoa ki te aranga mai o te ata, ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. And then we all repeat, ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. We shall remember them. Ka pai whānau? Kia ora. So really exciting for us to be able to look into a little bit of Te Reo Māori and how that matches up with some of the major events that we have throughout our calendar, such as ANZAC Day, and then a little bit further on we'll have Matariki will start to come into season as well. So some exciting times ahead, some exciting learning ahead. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. If you're in your bubble and you're heading into your second week now of learning from home, kia kaha te ako, give your learning a really good go. But above all else, remembering that it's our well-being that's most important at this time. So from my whānau to your whānau, mauri ora.